This is a 2011 Kia Forte Coupe SX. This is how you get to the center console cluster. So first you need to take off this piece right here. There's a long piece right here. This piece just snaps out. It's your first step. First step to actually take out the fuse door. Then come in here. There's two screws right here and here. After you take out this fan assembly, next fan, pull out your stereo. Then you can disconnect your head unit, whatever this is, the plastic piece. Just disconnect that connector right here before you rip it off. Here's you getting into the cluster right here. There's 4 screws on that. 2, 3, 4. And that should be really it.